Welcome to the Environmental Learning Center. My name is Deb, and thank you for joining me today. Did you know there's wildlife here? On our wildlife camera, we've seen raccoons, skunks, and opossums, all using the same spot, but not at the same time. What have you seen that is interesting in nature recently? Wetlands are nurseries for our wildlife neighbors. What is a wetland? It's an area where water tells the story. Here at the ELC, our wetlands are ponds, and there are special plants and animals that live in and around those ponds because of all that water. Today we are going to explore the home of the raccoon, the masked bandit that hunts the wetlands at night. Come on, let's go exploring.
Have you seen the masked bandit? No, not that one. This one. Raccoons are known as masked bandits because they look like they are wearing a mask over their eyes. Their fur is gray and brown, and they have a bushy striped tail. Raccoons living in the desert are often lighter than those up north. While most people are up during the day, raccoons are nocturnal, which means they are active at night, like this raccoon seen at 5:30 a.m. at the ELC. Sometimes raccoons are also seen in the late afternoon and evening. Their sense of touch is very good. Their front paws are very agile, and they can even open human coolers. Baby raccoons are born in the spring and will cry to their mothers just like human babies cry. How long do you think a raccoon can live? The average is 5 years, but could be 16 years in the wild. When a raccoon gets old, its hair goes gray like human hair does. This old raccoon was seen sleeping in a friend's garage, having gone through the cat door. Sometimes raccoons show signs of a hard life. This raccoon appears to have one eye and a short tail. What does a raccoon do in a wetland? The pond is the raccoon's kitchen. They forage in and around wetlands and are an important predator in the food web. Raccoons have other kitchens too and also live away from wetlands. Raccoons are omnivores, so they eat plants and animals like most people, including berries, nuts, seeds, crayfish, crabs, injured birds, eggs, including mallard eggs, and Pacific chorus frogs. Check out our other episodes on mallards and Pacific chorus frogs. Raccoons search for food in the water with their front paws, but contrary to popular belief, they aren't washing their food in their kitchen sink. They'll also use their noses to smell for food and reach into holes for tasty treats. Do you think anything eats a raccoon? Bobcats, coyotes, owls, red foxes, and people hunt raccoons. Where have you seen a raccoon before? Raccoons live across most of North America except northern Canada and Alaska. Since raccoons are active at night, you're more likely to see their tracks. Look for prints in the mud where they've been walking down their hallways. 5 toes on each foot makes their tracks look like small human handprints. During the day, trees are the raccoon's bedroom and living room. Look up in trees where you might see them sleeping, sometimes on branches and often in holes. If you do see a raccoon, be sure to give it space, like all wildlife. They are great at finding their own food, so never intentionally feed a raccoon. Sometimes raccoons are called trash pandas because they go through our trash bins. Wild food is healthier for them, so be sure to keep trash cans secure. When camping, keep your food secure, and at home, keep pet food inside. You don't want your trash can to become a raccoon family's kitchen. Raccoons poop in the same spot repeatedly, called a latrine. If you find a large pile of poop in your yard or on your roof, it could be raccoons using that space for their bathroom. Be careful cleaning it up, as raccoon poop can have parasites. If you have raccoons around your house and you don't want them, block up any holes they might use, including cat and dog doors. Feed pets inside and clean up anything raccoons might find tasty, like garbage, extra birdseed, and pet food. To wrap it all up,
The masked bandit, trash panda, or the raccoon makes the ELC wetlands its home. With a great sense of touch, they forage for food in and around the wetlands at night. Keep an eye out for your wildlife neighbors and be a good neighbor by giving them space and not feeding them. If you see a raccoon here at the ELC, let us know. Thank you for joining me today and have a fun time exploring nature.